Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are the nouns that cannot be counted or measured by a number and cannot be made plural. Usually the words some, much, or a lot of come before uncountable nouns. Some people call uncountable nouns mass nouns or non-count nouns. Examples of uncountable nouns. The water seems to be crystal blue. Water is undefined. It cannot be counted. The cupcakes were made with love. Love cannot be measured or counted. John spilled the milk. Milk cannot be measured by how many. We like listening to the saxophone music. Music is uncountable since it cannot be measured. Categories of uncountable nouns. There are different types of uncountable nouns, and each belong to a different category. The table below shows the categories on left and the uncountable nouns that belong to each. Groups of objects include uncountable nouns like homework, information, mail, news. Abstract words include uncountable nouns like courage, envy, health, time. Activities and sports include uncountable nouns like ballet, football, hockey, research. Fields of study include uncountable nouns like anthropology, astronomy, engineering, photography. Foods include uncountable nouns like corn, fruit, lettuce, pasta. Gases include uncountable nouns like air, nitrogen, oxygen, smog. Languages include uncountable nouns like English, Arabic, German, Spanish. Liquids include uncountable nouns like blood, coffee, gasoline, milk. Materials include uncountable nouns like concrete, glass, leather, iron. Particles include uncountable nouns like pepper, salt, rice, sand. Weather include uncountable nouns like cold, lightning, sleet, steam. Now, read the example sentences below. Here, each uncountable noun is underlined. The teacher always gives a lot of homework. Homework is a group of objects. We are not counting separate homework assignments. I don't think it will make it there with any time to spare, Brian said. Time is an abstract word. We are not counting hours or minutes. My brother plays football outside constantly. Football is a sport. We are not counting individual footballs or football players. I will study engineering in college. Engineering is a field of study. We are not counting people who study engineering. Determining nouns as countable or uncountable. Countable nouns tell how many, while uncountable nouns tell how much. When you encounter a noun and you are unsure whether it is countable or uncountable, ask yourself how many there are of the noun in the sentence. Read the examples below to determine whether the nouns are countable or uncountable. I spilled juice all over the floor. How many juices did I spill? The noun is uncountable because the quantity is undefined. Mother cooked a chicken for dinner. How many chickens did Mother cook? The noun is countable because it is defined as one by the article a. Nouns that are countable or uncountable. Some nouns can be countable or uncountable. Be sure to pay attention to how these types of nouns are used in a sentence. If you can count the person, place, or thing and make it plural, it is a countable noun. If you cannot count the person, place, or thing, and you cannot make it plural, it is an uncountable noun. Read the example sentences below to see how the same noun can be used as a countable noun and as an uncountable noun. Countable nouns. The Italian bakery sells delicious breads. Kinds of bread. Here, breads refers to kinds of bread that can be counted. Uncountable nouns. This bread is delicious. I ate 3 pieces. Here, bread cannot be made plural or counted. Hence, it is an uncountable noun. Stan bought 5 coffees to go. 5 cups of coffee. Here, coffees refer to 5 cups of coffee that can be counted. This is strong coffee. Here, coffee cannot be counted in amount or number. Hence, it is an uncountable noun. Investigators found 2 hairs at the crime scene. Individual hairs. Here, hairs refer to individual hairs which can be counted. Lynn has beautiful hair. Here, hair cannot be counted by number. Hence, it is an uncountable noun. They had interesting experiences on their trip. Separate experiences. Here, experiences refer to separate experiences that can be counted by number. Sid has no experience as a teacher. Here, experience cannot be counted. Hence, it is an uncountable noun. Jimmy took the test 3 times, on 3 occasions. Here, times refer to 3 separate occasions that can be counted by number. We had hardly any free time. Here, time cannot be counted. Hence, it is an uncountable noun.